Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mojito mint. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 12 per drink, along with 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget the club soda for that perfect fizz, and plenty of ice. A muddler will also be very helpful for releasing the mint's aromatic oils. Next, let's prepare the mint. Place 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves into your glass. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Now, gently muddle the mint and lime. The key here is to lightly press and twist, just enough to release the mint's fragrant oils without tearing the leaves too much. Over-muddling can make your drink taste bitter, so be gentle and precise with this step. Now it's time to build your mojito. To the muddled mint and lime, add 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Follow this with 1 ounce of simple syrup, which provides the perfect balance of sweetness. Fill your glass completely with ice cubes. Stir all these ingredients together thoroughly for about 15 to 20 seconds, ensuring everything is well combined and chilled. For the final touch, top your drink with 3 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a wonderful effervescence and lightens the cocktail. Give it one last gentle stir. Garnish your refreshing mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a lime wedge. Serve it immediately and savor the crisp, cool flavors. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, easy-to-make mojito mint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.